everyone. We're going to find the absolute max and minimum of f on the given closed interval. We're going to use the closed interval method, and our closed interval is from -2 to 3. So our closed interval method has 3 steps, and the first step is to find the critical numbers first on the open interval a comma b. So we take the derivative of f prime of x is going to equal 6x squared minus 6x minus 12. Now we're going to set this to 0, set this part equal to 0 to find the critical numbers. And I'm going to go ahead and factor out a 6 first and get x squared minus x minus 2. And let's see if I can factor this. Yes, I can. So this is 6 times x minus 2 times x plus 1. And that gives you 0. So basically, this one is x equals 2. And for this one, it's x equals -1. Now let's check our closed interval. They both belong to they're included in the closed interval. So we're going to test those in just a minute. Now, the next thing I want to do is check the endpoints of the interval. So -2 and 3. So all you do is you go back to the original function and plug in -2. So f of -2 is going to be 2 times -2 cubed minus 3 times -2 squared minus 12 times -2 plus 1. And that's going to give you -3. All right, and then let's do f of 3. So f of 3 equals 2 times 3 cubed minus 3 times 3 squared minus 12 times 3 plus 1. So f of 3 is going to be -8. Now, on the next slide, I'm going to check also those two. And you do the same thing. So we need to do f of -2, or not f of -2, what did we have? F of 2 and -1. 2 and -1. That's for part 1. So f of 2 equals 2 times 2 cubed minus 3 times 2 squared minus 12 times 2 plus 1. So f of 2 equals -19. And then f of -1. So again, just everywhere there's an x, plug in -1. And f of -1 is going to give you 8. And we already had f of 3 was -8. And we had f of -2 that was -3. So looking at our numbers, we're going to go to step 3. The largest of the values is the absolute maximum. So the largest values is 8. So this is your absolute maximum. Oh, sorry, not this one. So sorry about that, f of -1 equals 8 is your absolute max. And your minimum is -19 here. So f of 2 equals -19 is your absolute minimum. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.